if I know a customer's working with some other dealer and they're having a good relationship, I don't step in on that. And I look at the same way with employees. I mean, if they've started a good business, they're working for them. I don't want to disrupt their business and what they're doing. So yes, I've looked more towards the college side of things, grabbing them right out of college. Number one, they're green and no one's taught them the wrong ways to do things yet, but no one's taught them the wrong ways. Okay. So you can kind of mold them in the way that you want to, but more so than not, I look for somebody that's going to show up for work. They have the ambition to want to work. And you can tell that by meeting somebody the first couple of times. You can tell it by looking at a resume of what they did, let's say the summers of college, or, hey, are they working while they're going to college? Or are they just working in the summer? That sort of thing. And we've had decent success finding people. And I, like anything, the ag technology world, when it comes to technicians, the burnout rate is about 3 to 5 years. It's standard. And when guys get out, they get out. They don't necessarily jump to another dealership. They might get out of ag entirely. They might just go do something completely different. And it's something that we keep bringing up to our growers as we have conversations. The cell phone it is the farmer's best friend, but at the same time, they rely on it too much. So you got to really have a will to help people, to want to help people. That's, I guess, what's probably kept me doing this for as long as I've done it so far.